Life is just a gamble with time. Don't waste it lying in bed, go out and have fun, friend. Join us on an adventure in Davao Oriental, Region 11, Philippines. See you soon.
Hello everyone. Watch this video from our road trip around Davao Oriental a few months ago with my fiance. The route was scenic, peaceful, and absolutely fascinating. First stop, Aliwagwag Falls in Katil, Davao Oriental. It truly is the most iconic attraction in Region 11, Mindanao. After a few hours drive, we reached Baganga Bay. We took a short rest and just enjoyed the calm along the shoreline. While in Baganga, we also visited the famous Curtain Falls Majestic and truly a hidden gem of Davao Oriental. You can only get there by motorcycle. The place has been left untouched for quite some time, so old structures around it are already starting to deteriorate. We also went to San Victor Island, the trending spot in the municipality of Baganga. It is absolutely amazing, just like Pujada Island in Métis City. Next, we explored Baganga's deepest lake. Locals say it goes more than 50 meters deep, and no one has yet dared to explore its very bottom. The water feels so cool and refreshing. You can really feel the chill as you stand near or step in it. Lastly, we visited Cape San Agustin, already our third time here. We climbed up the historic Parola Lighthouse before heading on to Langka, Métis City, where we stayed overnight. Overall, it was an unforgettable trip. Beautiful, but also full of little challenges that made it even more special. See you around, Davao Oriental.
Dagat na. Nawa ha? Nawa. Oh. Uy, way katao-tao. Parang kamera na dito. Please stay. I want you. I need you guys. Yung dagat dito Oh, walang basura, walang katatao. Oh my god, apa jud nag-exist nga nga place. Oh, dapat tara. White sand. White sand. Oy. Bawa, rin ang ahon dito, mga bastos, silinguban ba? Oh. Dalag silupin. Dalag Yan mga silupin. Kapon na ito ang tubig. Tinawa oy. Grabe tinawa. Okay kayo. Grabe ka tinawa ng tubig Oh. Tinawa kayong tubig. Grabe. Tara manday ni di ay. Kalisod-lisod patag pangita. Way bayad dire ha, way mga cottage dire. Libre ra Way cottage. Oh. Free ra, free. Ha! It's free. Mga kay libre ra, pambili na nila lang basura. Good morning for the record no. We travel 2 hours and 40 minutes to reach Métis City from Baganga. Nata diri sa town, nata diri sa BIR kanyo, BIR. Tapat niya ay Jollibee. Jollibee. Nata diri nga kalye. Maniud to sa tadiri, then diretso dayon ta Governor Generoso. Laborin talaga hapon dito sa Paraula kay maglibot-libot ta sa Langka Beach. See you. Kayo, mga dong. Hi. Kapoy day?
Kapoy-kapoy.
May kapoy basta lag kurbada mga dong. Kurbada na mga ban mga dong. Biara. Sarag di malipong. Napakanindot mga dong. Napakanindot. Yamat. Dilapas. Iskot. Mga anak kay lulusan na sito. Mga anak. Kanino kay pang dagko nga isda. Dili ay. Grabe ko ano mo. Ata diri sa Katulungan Tower. Tapos sa taas. Ano na pinakatumoy sa dagat. Nakatumoy na sa dagat eh. Oh. Grabe, okay kay mga dong oh. Ay mga tao gyapon sa ibabaw. Wah. Kita ang dagat, Pacific Ocean. Kita ang view, lighthouse. Kita ang mabos. Mga tao. Kita ang sunset. Okay kay mga dong.